Describe your hometown.
My hometown is a small city. It is quiet and clean. There are many parks and schools. I like to walk in the park and play football with my friends. People are friendly. I like my hometown because it is peaceful and safe. I feel happy when I am there.
What is your hometown?
My hometown is a small city.
What is it like?
It is quiet and clean.
What can you do there?
I can walk in the park and play football.
Who do you go with?
I go with my friends.
How are the people?
People are friendly.
Why do you like your hometown?
I like it because it is peaceful and safe.
How do you feel when you are there?
I feel happy.